In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF 2026 guide. Whether you want a polished copy of a single chat or a complete archive of your history, I'll walk you through the best built-in options and a few layout tips so your export looks great. Let's start with a quick export of one conversation. Open the chat you want to save and scroll all the way to the very top. This ensures the entire thread loads into your browser's memory. If you skip this, older messages may be missing from the PDF. Now press Ctrl plus P on Windows or Command plus P on a Mac to open the print dialog. Set the destination to save as PDF. If anything looks cut off or cramped, go to More Settings. Adjust the paper size. Legal often fits long chats better, and tweak the scale until the content fits cleanly. 80% or 100% usually does the trick. You can also fine-tune margins or hide headers and footers if you prefer a cleaner page. When it looks right in the preview, click Save, choose a folder, give the file a clear name with the date, and confirm the download. If you need your full history, use the bulk export. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and open Settings. Head to the Data Controls tab and select Export Data. This packages your account details and all conversations into a single downloadable file. You'll see a notice explaining what's included. Go ahead and confirm the export. This is ideal for long-term backups, switching devices, or organizing research. Next, let's retrieve the export. You'll receive an email at your registered address with a secure download link. The preparation time depends on how much history you have, so give it a little while if your account is large. Important, that link expires exactly 24 hours after it's sent, so download the file within that window. You'll get a zip archive containing your chats in both HTML and JSON formats. The HTML is perfect for viewing in any browser, while JSON is a structured version that's useful for developers or advanced searches. To turn your full history into a PDF, open the HTML file in your browser. Use the same Control or Command plus P shortcut. Choose Save as PDF, and if needed, refine paper size and scale in More Settings to keep everything readable and neatly paginated. And that's it. Whether you need a quick snapshot or a complete archive, these methods keep your conversations tidy, portable,